Alright, what's up bros and peeps? So ngayon, babike check naman natin ang bike ni Pops Rhylee, Foxter Raff 2018 3.0. Let's go!
Hear the sound of the bells when the Lord gone, and the boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bloodthirsty when the dogs put their paws on. You gon' tell them that it go a little bit.
Alright, start tires cockpit as usual. You have NECO seal bearing headset and TRUVATIV stem and TRUVATIV XR handlebars, XC all mountain riser bar, AL66 triple butted, right? And you have Shimano ALIVIO shifter and Shimano MT200 brake levers for front and rear. Alright. Ano po tayo dito? Ano po tayong stock ng Foxter fork. Fox stock po yan. Alright. Dito naman po tayo. We have Shimano 160mm rotor. Alright. And Shimano NT200 brake caliper for front brake. Ayan, NT200 po yan mga kaps. Right, bros. And for the tires, we have SCHWALBE NOBBY 27.5 by 2.25. Ay, 2.35 pala to, sorry. SCHWALBE NOBBY 2.35. And dito naman meron tayong weapon hammer 1 by crankset 3060 na 1 by crankset. Back here we have Shimano Acera 9-speed rear derail long page as usual without clutch system. Mega light technology. Alright. And dito naman, meron din tayong Shimano 160mm rotor. Ayan. Paired with Shimano MT200 rear brake caliper. Right. And for the rear tire, same. SCHWALBE NOBBY 27.5 by 2.35. Right. All mounting tires. Alright, that's all. Alright, thank you bros and peeps for watching another video from OTB Racing. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you Rhylee for lending us your bike for a bike check. And hope to see more videos guys. Let's go!